the gladiators fought. That's the stage.
Very funny. Very funny. Just my toe.
Basement underground, this is the place where the gladiators waited, and later Carlotta is telling you about the punishment of the basement. Now, just to give me a minute, then I'll give you some free time for pictures, for enjoying the view. But let's have an idea on how this place was first. So we have a hand railing in front of us, and you couldn't see any hand railing there in the Roman time. This is the reconstruction of the stage, and imagine it running all the way down there, in front of you. In this way, the basement was not visible, it was all covered. So imagine seats all the way around you. You have the original height of the building, then half of it collapsed on the left. That's the reason why you don't have the same height to the left. But you have to imagine it's symmetrical in the Roman time, specular on the other side. Then we have seats there to the right. This is a reconstruction. Why is it a reconstruction to the right? Because these seats indeed are irregular, made of different building materials, and it is not Roman. In the Roman time, the seats were all white. Okay. Then you see the inscriptions there; those are the names, because the seats at the bottom of the building were personal seats for senators. So the Colosseum, guys, was a social ladder upside down. The best seats were at the bottom, the worst seats were at the very top, we said. So, indeed, this is a reconstruction, because no original seats are left in place, and the reconstruction is not really accurate, because it was made in the early 1900s, since the seats at the ground floor were wider. So, rich people wanted more personal space than poor people. So, that is the size of the seats for the middle classes. So, on the upper tiers, not here at the bottom of the building. But imagine how close to the action those seats were. So in fact an animal could jump from here. This is the reason why we had a net. There was a net, then there was a gap between the net and the niches. Look at the niches there to the left. The niches were for archers. This way there was an archer in case an animal jumped and he passed the net. The animal. So sophisticated. Then now, enjoy the view for a while please, but keep the left. We have to stay on